New travel gear can quickly add up, so it's important to invest in the right pieces that will last a long time, especially for luggage and other bags. There are many products available to choose rolling duffel bags, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best rolling duffel bags from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Callaway International Terminal. If you love built-in organization, this bag has multiple compartments ideal for 2 weeks' worth of clothing, shoes, accessories, toiletries, and more that can fit far more than needed. We also appreciated the variety of external handles which make loading this bag into a car or onto a luggage rack a cinch. After 6 months of use, we think it's the perfect size, large, but not bulky. It gives off major campfire couture vibes, so we love the idea of taking this bag on an outdoor adventure or road trip, which could call for a wide range of gear and a need to lug it beyond just using the smooth rolling wheels. Number 2. Traveler's Club Expedition. When we packed this duffel with 2 weeks' worth of winter gear, there was plenty of room left over. The main compartment was much more spacious than we originally thought, and we especially loved the variety of exterior pockets which made staying organized a breeze. The handle, while sturdy, is on the thinner side and the wheels are smaller than some others on this list, which made maneuvering this bag over carpet, cement, and through tight turns marginally more challenging. After traveling with this bag regularly for 6 months, we love how it rolls, but found that it's too big to be used as a carry-on item and must be checked. Number 3. Gonx Rolling Duffel Bag. There's a fine line between budget and value options, and we feel like this Gonx rolling duffel bag delivered quality at a very competitive price point, stacking up to many of the more expensive bags at a fraction of the cost. It's a long, stiff bag, but we had no issues going through our obstacle course and over rougher surfaces. Even after 6 months of frequent use, the wheels move with elan and the handle was easy to hold. We loved the design, too. It's like a half suitcase, half duffel with a structured bottom half and a fabric upper flap, plus easy to adjust straps on the sides to secure the contents even more. We were also impressed with the sturdiness of this bag, including the structured bottom half, which makes the bag extra durable. Number 4. Fasmwheel Duffel. For anyone who wants a large capacity bag with a simple design, the Fasmwheel Duffel is the perfect choice. If you're packing for a long trip or one that involves bringing a lot of bulky items, this is a great option thanks to its large compartment that is easy to pack. There's also an additional pocket on the top with a mesh opening between it and the main compartment, as well as 2 mesh zipper pockets on the lid to keep smaller items organized and secure. The handle works well, but the bag is so bulky. The best way to transport this bag is by rolling. We found that the wheels glide quite smoothly, but the bag can be unwieldy due to its size, so it may not be best for those who know they're likely to move in a hurry. Number 5. Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler. This bag is proof that when it comes to luggage, bigger can, in fact, be better. It packs an astonishing 130 liters of volume, which is rare to find, even in bags 2 or 3 times its weight, yet manages to clock in at a positively featherweight 4 pounds, 7 ounces, making it one of our favorite lightweight luggage options. Our favorite thing about this bag was that it also converts to a backpack, which can justify the fact that it won't stand upright, as you wouldn't want a hard frame pushing into your back if carrying that way. We can see this bag being an excellent choice for a safari bush plane with weight limits, or any instance when you wanted to start off with a featherweight bag before loading up your gear into the bag and the included packing cube. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.